My friends, welcome to this new episode. So let's go through endpoint visibility. It's a really actual kind of topic. So let's focus first of all on the problem. You need the visibility of endpoint. So you do have some difficulties because it's multi-platform. You do have Linux, Windows, Mac. So the solution of the market somehow is, and also the logical one is on the orchestrator, so on the IAM side or directly on the endpoint. So generally this visibility is integrated into some kind of product, ADR based, but what if ADR get bypassed? So let's focus today on gaining endpoint visibility with open source in a scalable manner with a mature implementation. So today I'm going to talk about OS Query. OS Query is a project that is there for since a long time. It's mature, it's multi-platform, as you see from all fancy stickers in there, and it does transform the OS into a database. So you can perform query to the OS, but it's really an unbelievable tool in terms of forensics and investigation. What you can gain out of it is a full visibility of all endpoints that you are having, but not just that. You can map it to each MITRE ATT&CK technique and have a full overview independently from whatever product you are using for your endpoint security. It's going to be a tool that you can scale and do whatever you need because you can create extension. The SDK and the extension are unbelievably well documented, and don't forget that does integrate quite well. Splunk, for example, does have an add-on specific to SQuery. You integrate seamlessly into the environment. If you have an incident, you can understand what it was happening, especially mass compromise from a forensic standing point, bypass of your security controls. OS Query is a real smart way to do it. So I'm here to propose you some content that is original. I'm trying to keep all videos short. You are free to contact me at any time, and let's open a conversation on different approach because security is not a product, is a strategy. And if you want to know more about my opinion on the industry, here you on Amazon you can find my book. So it's a paper with an overview of how the industry should change to make it sharper and more aligned with the challenge. At any time, I'm here. Talk to you soon. Subscribe so you know when you have new content. I will try to keep up to have a weekly release. Okay? Thanks a lot for your attention. Cheers. Bye bye.